Picture your AI agent trying to pull a live billing record from Stripe, cross-reference a customer profile in HubSpot, and drop a summary into Slack, all at the exact same time. Right now, making that happen means writing brittle glue code, fighting CORS errors for hours, and wrestling with fragile Docker containers just to keep a single API connection alive. Without direct, real-time access to your actual operational data, even the smartest models are stuck playing pretend. They remain isolated text generators instead of useful workers. That's exactly why the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, was introduced. It's an open-source standard built to act as a universal translator between AI agents and your external tools. But there is a catch. The protocol itself doesn't host anything. Developers are still on the hook to build, secure, and maintain every individual server connection on their own infrastructure. Actually putting an AI to work depends on a unified, frictionless infrastructure capable of managing all of those connections at scale. This is where the Vinkius AI Gateway comes in. It acts as a fully managed infrastructure layer that strips away the need for local hosting, removing the requirement for custom glue code entirely. As you can see by the sheer density of this network, we are looking at over 2,600 enterprise tools, governed and ready to deploy to your models in a single click. The gateway plugs directly into the interfaces you are already using. You just drop the connection endpoint into Claude, Cursor, or ChatGPT, and the data flows instantly. Removing the deployment friction allows the agent to actively query your systems, operating as a self-sufficient automation engine. Let's look at exactly how this works with the Zapier MCP Server available on the platform. Instead of writing an integration from scratch, you navigate to Vinkius.com, search for the Zapier module, and authenticate. You are connected in under a minute. Now you can simply open your chat window and ask your agent to audit a specific broken automation, say an email to Trello workflow that suddenly stopped firing. Under the hood, the AI natively executes built-in tools like list SAPs to find the workflow and get history to pull the exact error log directly from Zapier's database. You don't have to click through 5 different nested dashboards to find what went wrong. The agent reads the live execution data and hands you the solution, operating as a dedicated automation analyst. Of course, giving an autonomous model raw API access to your enterprise platforms sounds like an immediate, terrifying security risk. To solve this, Vinkius uses a strict zero-trust architecture. Your raw API credentials never actually touch the large language model at all. Before returning data, a data loss prevention checkpoint automatically intercepts the payload and masks personally identifiable information. Every request is processed inside an isolated V8 sandbox to prevent cross-contamination. If an anomalous request slips through, a sub-40 millisecond kill switch severs the connection instantly. These are heavy, enterprise-grade protections, running completely in the background. You don't configure any of it. Building scalable autonomy requires a data pipeline that is mathematically secure and rigidly governed from the start. That secure connection we saw with Zapier is just one node in a much larger ecosystem. You can arm your agents with tools to manage Reddit ad budgets, ping Huawei device push kits, or retrieve professional raw weather indexes, all natively. Vinkius.com serves as the definitive central hub to discover, deploy, and manage this entire library of pre-built integrations. By removing the dual bottlenecks of custom infrastructure and security, you raise the ceiling on what an autonomous agent can actually achieve in a production environment. Vinkius provides the specific infrastructure needed to turn smart text generation into genuine operational autonomy. Skip the glue code entirely. Go to Vinkius.com today to arm your agents with thousands of governed, secure tools from day one.